And then also a few weeks ago, let me do that again because I just did this.
I can do it too if that makes you feel better.
Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Amy.
And I'm Sarah, and we're here to help you get creative.
Today, we are going to do a furniture flip. It's a very small piece of furniture.
It is a small piece of furniture.
I had a flower pedestal that was dark wood, and as with most everything else in my house, if it's dark wood, I want to make it lighter now.
Of course. Who doesn't? And also a few weeks ago, we did a decoupage project using napkins, which was very fun. So
what do I need to do? I wanted to glue a napkin onto the top of my flower stand.
Decoupage.
Just to see what would happen.
Decoupage.
So,
I like that word.
I know that you're really curious about this now. You can hardly wait to see what it is like to put
a napkin
on a piece of furniture. So,
yeah, decoupage.
It really is exciting.
So we really love this project.
Yeah, we do.
It's very cool. It ended up
It turned out well. I really like it. So
and it's not hard.
Nope. Let's get started.
Let's go. All right.
Here we go, getting started with the spray paint. Honestly, I really thought that I was going to just spray paint this whole piece, a couple of layers, and I was going to be done with it. But I did not enjoy the weather this day. So it just wasn't fun, and it wasn't going very well, and I knew it was going to take several coats. I enjoy painting so much that I decided it would be more enjoyable to paint this. Also, I do like when I can to take pieces apart. When you are done and you put it back together, it always has a much more finished look. I don't think it was a waste necessarily to go over it with the spray paint first. This had a really shiny finish. I think it helped to have that first layer of spray paint for the Waverly paint to stick. This is a little brush that my mom actually got me for my birthday one year. It came in a set. These are actually the Waverly brushes. Pretty sure that you can buy them at Walmart, probably other places. They work really well. I love them. I love the size for smaller projects like this, and they really don't lose very many bristles, so they are very handy to have. Here's the second coat I'm putting on. I love this step. It's so satisfying to see just that full coverage.
So what are you doing?
I'm gluing a napkin to the top of that table.
That's high end.
Yes. Just you wait to see.
Yeah.
You'd be so impressed.
I imagine a lot of people come in and say, wow, look how fancy that napkin is. It's glued onto that table. Built in place to wipe your hands.
You laugh now. Be amazed.
Okay.
Here's your basic decoupage tutorial. All we're doing is covering the base of it with a layer of Mod Podge and then laying the napkin over that. I did it a little bit at a time, so I laid my napkin down and pulled the side up, put some Mod Podge down, and then smoothed the napkin across the table. After that, you add a layer on top, and I just continued to smooth the napkin down with my fingers. Still had a few little bumps in the end, but not very noticeable at all. This napkin I chose with the white background worked out really well with the bright white paint because it blended in and it really looked like the leaves are kind of painted on instead of it being a napkin glued to the table. I hope I don't trigger anyone here. I just decided to seal the whole piece with Mod Podge, and I was hoping that it wasn't going to be a big regret in the end, but it wasn't. It looks great. Normally I would use polyurethane, or I do enjoy using the wax. This was handy. I was ready to be done at this point, and it worked out great. This was actually an old table from the Bombay company. They've been gone for a while, but we always loved all the stuff that you could get there. There you have it. This was a simple little fix. It was a little nerve-wracking because I didn't know how it was going to turn out, but I have ended up loving this. It's a lot lighter and brighter, and it gives it just a new, fresh look. Thanks for stopping by. We really hope you enjoyed this project, and we'll see you next week.